Hey, how you doing, guys? Welcome back. I'm back. I have this 2011 Cadillac, as you can see, Caddy CTS 4. I'm gonna show you how to reset the oil life real quick. Okay, ready? You can do it while the car is running. Let's start the car. Step on the brake pedal. Turn the key. You see that message? We're gonna get it going, alright? You see the vibes. Da, 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 da. Alright, okay. Back to the oil change. I'm gonna press this guy right here. The car with the eye. Alright. And you're gonna see that right there. Oil life remaining 1%. And all you're gonna do is press the check. Press it and hold it, okay? Press it and hold it. There you go. Now you can let it go. Oil life remaining 100%. Oh, by the way, I poured 7 quarts of synthetic oil, 5W30. Alright. I have like 50,000 miles in this vehicle. Also, I did the oil change. Check that video out. Let me know what you think. Alright. Let me know what you think about this video. Put it in the comment box for me. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to follow. And I'll see you in the next one. Highlight your boy. I'm out there.